Hey everyone, it's Melinda Sanchez with Coldwell Banker Realty, and my colleague Rachel McCoy is with me today as well, and we have another wonderful property for you today. It is 7502 91st Street East in Palmetto, Florida, and the property is listed at $900,000. It just hit the market today, so let's go take a look. Look at this amazing property. This is 2.25 acres with a pool, something you definitely want to come see in person. I just can't get over this oak tree. Check that out. Okay, let's go see Rachel.
Well, hi, Melinda.
Hi, Rachel. What you got for us today?
I'm so excited to show you this house. This house, all right, I know everybody loves the open concept. I'm not a fan of that, only because I grew up in the 70s and 80s and rooms were compartmentalized. So this one does have a little bit of that. Although it still feels nice and open when you go inside, and you'll see that when we get in there. It has character. It has so much character. I love that. It was built in 2003, but it just feels like an old charm. It's just got that flavor to it. I want to show you first the porch. Look at this beautiful porch. Can you imagine putting your rocking chairs here and just having some lemonade? It wraps all the way around the side of the house. It's just beautiful. There's so much you could do with this space.
I love all the vegetation.
Look at that lot.
Just so well manicured and taken care of.
And there's a lot of
Beautiful.
space in between houses here, so you don't have your neighbors like right, you can't just hand over a cup of sugar. They have to actually walk here. It's a long walk. So we're gonna go inside. You ready?
Yes,
I can't wait to
let's
show
do
you
it.
this house. This is so nice.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Got a
Love the
beautiful built-in
built-ins.
entertainment center here with the electric fireplace. And I love this wall over here with the wood. I just feel like that adds just so much warmth to the home. Now in the front, we're gonna see here, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side.
And I will say that this right here is where the AC is. So it's easy to change everything, and the linen closet. That's my gig. All right, we got 2 bedrooms and a bath here.
A bedroom in here, a little walk-in closet.
Vaulted ceiling there.
Now they're in the process of packing, so you have to forgive this stuff because there is some stuff here, but not too bad. If I were moving out, I'd make a bigger mess, I think.
Yeah.
And here we have another bedroom. And another little walk-in closet. And this one has some built-ins.
All the way up to the ceiling just about. So yeah, that's really good.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Look at all this natural light coming in from the windows. It's just, I don't
Well
know.
thought out.
Very well thought out. Very, very nice. Nice modern bathroom here. And now the floors in these bedrooms and in the hall are going to be this nice big 18-inch tile. And then as you go out, back out into the den or living room area, we call it, hardwood floors here.
Beautiful hardwood floors.
Just gorgeous. So we're going to walk this way. There's a couple different ways we can get to the other side of the house. First, we're going to visit the master over here. We have laundry right here. Nice laundry sink. And get lots of storage cabinets. And then in here you have your owner's suite / master bedroom, whatever you want to call it. Nice and big though, this room. And check out the size of this closet. Melinda, I want you to walk all the way in there just so you can show how big this closet is.
Love the drawers. Requires less furniture in the room itself. Incredible.
Tons of space.
Tons and tons.
And then the ensuite. You've got a tub, which, you know, I have friends who cannot live without their bathtub, aka Melinda. And then they have the separate shower over here. Oh, really nicely done. Really nice.
Absolutely. Tile here as well. Nice light in here.
All right, and now we're gonna go in the kitchen. This is my favorite room in the house. The kitchen and the dining area. Look at this, it's so pretty. I don't know if you can get a nice close-up of this green wood cabinetry. And I understand this may not be the color for everyone, but I love it. I just think it looks like an emerald color. Takes me back to the Wizard of Oz, I love it.
Pull open those doors, show what's in there.
Look at this.
Pull out pantry shelving. I'm a little jealous of that, gotta be honest. Nice, nice stuff.
And then if you look over here, we've got your island and of course the gas stovetop and a built-in oven over here. Super nice. Did everything you need in this kitchen. And then there's even enough room for a little sit-in eating space right here.
Little breakfast nook. And I'm going to show the dining room
Look
very
at that
quickly.
Cute little pass-through though. That, again, adding charm and character to this house is that little feature right there. You will not find that in a lot of homes. And this is a custom home, so it does have that custom home feel. But
Look
this
at that
little
tray
room,
ceiling.
it's just like the Oval Office in here. I just love it. And the ceiling, the crown molding, I mean, every detail in this house is just really well thought out. We're gonna look at the back room back behind us, behind the kitchen here, and that's the room that you would come in if you're coming in from the garage. So this is a separate, this is the den, I apologize, I have the family room up front. This is the den area, but you can use it for whatever you want. But I love that it's separate from the rest of the house, like it's just sort of tucked away back here. A lot of times you need that separation. You need to be able to work back here in peace while somebody's watching TV over there. I just think that's a really well thought out floor plan. And then over here in the garage, it's a 3-car garage. It is a side load. And just outside the garage doors, I don't think Melinda caught that in the video, but outside the garage doors, there is a parking pad for RVs, your boat, what have you.
Let me show them real quick. Lots of space for parking if you're entertaining or you have a large family with several vehicles.
Okay, so this is in the Regency Oaks Preserve neighborhood. Homes rarely come available in here, only because it is such an incredible lifestyle back here. And the size of the lots, it's almost impossible to get your hands on this size of a lot anymore. For under $1 million. I mean, it's just, the cost of real estate has just been insane. So out here, we have really nice pool. Look at this. And it is a gas heated pool. And Melinda, pan up to the ceiling. We have this beautiful tongue and groove woodwork up here. Once again, that sort of mirrors that wall as you walk into the family room when you first enter the home. So it all sort of ties together very cohesively. Got a little step down here. And look at this yard. I mean, you've got all this deck space, so you have covered seating in one area, but you also have a space where you can sit out in the sun and soak it all up. So, and you've got the spa over here.
The best of both worlds.
You really do. You have everything you need. It's so peaceful and so quiet.
It is. Gorgeous, gorgeous property.
And then out here they have their grill. You could really make a nice summer kitchen out here if you wanted to, or even under the covered area. But it just is, it's just so well thought out. And look at this lot, 2.25 acres is huge. Now there is an HOA in the community that keeps the community looking nice, but it's a very low cost. There's no CDD. Your annual HOA here is $450. That's really very minimal. It works out to about $37.50 a month. But take a look around, take it all in. Look at what you can do with this property. You know, take the kids in the backyard and play ball, or you know, have an event back here. Shoot, you could have a wedding back here. It's just stunning.
It is gorgeous. Beautiful. This would be a wonderful spot for a wedding. That oak, oh my goodness, just amazing. All of this property. Little storage building out there behind everything. Rachel, on the outside when I showed the parking pad there, was a breaker panel and it had Generac on it. So I'm thinking that this whole house must have a whole home generator for those storms that come
It very
through.
well may. I know that the listing agent, Echo Belser, is still gathering all the information. This was put on the market very quickly, and so she's still getting answers to all of her questions. So it's possible that that is the case. The home inside is just about almost 2,300 square feet, so it's nice and big. If you guys want to see it, if you want a private tour, if you want to be represented on the purchase, please give us a call. My number is 813-245-2858. We would love to show it to you, love to help you make a great deal on this home. You know, the sellers are very motivated, so we would love to help you with that.
Let's get it going, y'all.
All right.
Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.